What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from SeaWorld Orlando for another Pipeline the Surf Coaster construction update. And as I was driving in, good news to report, saw a bunch of new supports up and track. And well, we're gonna head into the park in just a second and check it out. It's still holiday time, a little bit busier than what we've seen during the weeks. But parking was a breeze, security was a breeze, and I can see ticket windows, not much of a wait, and same with the turnstiles. And here's a better look. Launch track there. You can see a lift up there working on some of the netting for the turnaround. Airtime hill, inversion, and the crane is down for the day. Yep, like usual, no wait to get through, and we are on our way. Much better temperatures, somewhere in the low 70s. We had quite a bit of cloud cover this morning, actually, and yesterday as well. But right now, sunny, 72 degrees. And we got the pipeline train still out here in the front. So guests that want to check it out can get an up-close view of it. And from what I saw as I was driving in, they've added more track to about right here on the layout and a bunch of the supports here. So they're about 85% done. It's looking good, guys. Split point, bridge over there, Sky Tower over there, and I see Sky Tower running, so that is where we are headed. We have arrived. Sky Tower time. Yes. What is this that I hear? There it is. I see it. The fountain's back on. Yes. It's a glorious day.
Welcome aboard the SeaWorld Sky Tower. As you take your ride up to a height of 300 feet, we thought it would be helpful, as well as people across the globe taking action to protect these amazing animals and their habitats. Our teams are on call 24/7, 365 days a year, partnering. Did you know that SeaWorld has rescued and rehabilitated more than 39,000 animals? None of this would be possible without the continued support of our partner agencies, park guests like you, as well as people across the globe taking action to protect these amazing animals and their habitats. Bayside dolphins. To the east, also across the street from SeaWorld, you'll find Aquatica. Our water park hosts the most water slides in Orlando. This amazing park has been voted the #1 outdoor water park in the USA. Visit the information counter today to see how you can experience counter located near the park's front entrance. We hope that you have enjoyed your ride aboard the SeaWorld Sky Tower. Be sure to check your seats for any belongings and watch your step as you exit the
Bridge time. After getting some awesome views from Sky Tower, we can see a bunch of supports now in place for one of the final turns. They've added a couple pieces of track. Over here in the launch area, crews have been busy doing electrical work. A lot of markings all over the place. But pipeline looking pretty good. Yes, the surf fishies do still exist. It's Monday, but the park is open later, till 9 p.m. for Christmas celebration. That means we have a showing here in Orca Stadium at 3:30. Should be able to get some views from here, just like our last update, and then move on over to Bayside Stadium. Making our way over to Bayside. Icebreaker doing its thing. With the cooler temperatures, I gotta say the ice is looking the best it ever has.
Skating session will conclude in 5 minutes. Thank you.
It's getting a little tougher for some of the views from Bayside Stadium, but that's because the ride is going over towards the station. Icebreaker flying by. But yeah, I think some of the best views of the new construction is actually from the parking lot.
Most of it's over the lake.
It's been a good day, and I can thank the construction ducks for that. Great views today from Bayside, from the Orca Stadium, Sky Tower, and now how about the drone, shall we? Great views of the construction from the drone, wasn't that? Now how about some great views of the pink chickens? There's the babies, Sprinkles and Sunday. We're getting a lot more pink to them now. Well guys, that's going to do it for another update here from SeaWorld Orlando for Pipeline the Surf Coaster. Glad we had a chance to see some new supports that were placed for the layout, and some more pieces of track also go in. And I'm expecting they're going to get very, very, very close to completing the layout this week. I'd be kind of surprised if they didn't make a push, but they may be saving it for next week. We'll see. Maybe just a Christmas gift to all of the people here at SeaWorld. But yeah, if you like our videos, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Midway Mayhem. We'll see you out on the Midway, guys. Bye.